So here I am lying in bed. It's dark, so you can't see me. If you could, you'd see that I slept in my makeup, so don't judge me. Ambien knocked me out before I could think about taking off my makeup. Now I'm yawning, so for the proof that it is morning. Well, here I sit, and my alarm has not yet gone off, but a different sort of alarm has gone off. The alarm of what Riley was cooking in the kitchen. He's developed kind of an independent, I guess a source of independence when he knows how to use the microwave, and in theory at least. He knows we have these quick buttons. You push a 1 and it's 1 minute, a 2 minutes. You get the idea. Well, every once in a while he gets a wild hair to pop popcorn, microwave popcorn. Well, recently he's kind of had some sort of a brain fart when it comes to microwaving popcorn, and he burns it. He burns it a lot, and he always seems to manage to do this when nobody else is in the kitchen. To notice that he's malfunctioning in his culinary skills. I guess that's the best way to put it. So if I could send smells through this video, you would all be smelling very, very, very burnt popcorn. Mind you, I'm in my own bedroom. I guess I'm guessing it was Ken that tried to save me. He came in and threw open a window and turned on the ceiling fan. So yeah, this is my alarm this morning. Waking up to burnt popcorn. Let's see here. Yeah. There's the open window. Ceiling fan. Yep. If I can only get smells through. Let's go. Okay. Don't judge. We're still getting our Christmas decorations put away. Light. Yes. Window open there. It's a little cold outside. Yeah. Dogs don't seem to mind the burnt smell. Again, don't judge the mess. Oh, on. Oh, okay, purse, stop turning the... Okay, there we go. Not too bad. Garage door open. Another window open. Oh, where's the burnt popcorn? Oh, not too bad. Oh, it smells like cigarettes. Yeah, definitely cigarettes. Ugh. Sometimes Ken throws... No, the popcorn thrown out there. Well, the last time Riley burnt popcorn, there were 3 bags, and he just threw them out there, and there they stayed for a few days, but anyway. Yeah, so that's my morning. Riley's already left for school. Oh, the scent is strong. Very, very strong. I'm gathering the popcorn maybe got put in the garage. The garbage cans are out on the curb. Thank goodness it's garbage day. But I can still smell the popcorn quite strong out here. It's probably going to smell like popcorn in my car. You just have no idea how badly burnt popcorn can smell and permeate a house and home, carpet, furniture until it happens. But, oh yeah, there's Emery. Hey, Emery. 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 Can you smell that burnt popcorn? Can you smell that burnt popcorn? Lola, can you smell that burnt popcorn?
Yeah, but I didn't do it.
Huh?
I didn't do it though.
I know you didn't. I know who it was. All right.